here's where we spent our working day, guys. So Vanlifers, quite the view. Just wrapped everything up, put the Starlink inside, got our computers and everything put away. We're on the Hot Springs National Park mountain, and we're about to go to a hot spring.
Perfect.
We're here with Trey, and he's from Texas, and you just told us like all the best spots.
While y'all are moving across the state, you need to go west of Austin to Fredericksburg, and then just south of there in Bernie, you know, which is like the Texas wine country, and where all the hills are at. If y'all are going to be there, you said March 1st, so you'll hit Texas Independence Day on the 2nd, and the bluebonnets bloom like essentially this week. So all the wildflowers start coming out down there right now. And then Bandera is the cowboy capital of the world. And there's 800 people there, and every single one of them is the main character. You know? So you'll meet some cool people in Bandera.
That's awesome. Best tips out there.
Right, you know, and don't be afraid to get your feet a little wet.
No, we're going over to the Welcome Center, the Nashville Parks Welcome Center.
Yeah.
But there's another free bath, the People's Water, Trey's words. So we're gonna get in there, get our feet wet. Nice to meet you. Hey, maybe we'll run into you another time.
Oh, dude, I gotta dip my toes one last time before I go.
Alright. You gotta talk to the people to get the good scoop. But if you're afraid to talk to them, just follow Patty Appleseed. We'll get those conversations happening for you. We're headed to Texas Nest, so we're gonna be taking up a lot of those tips. And I gotta get these stinking feet clean, so I'm putting them in 140-degree water. Oh my God. I'm like a lobster. Oh my God. Nice and warm water. It's a true communal pool. Oh, it's pretty cold. They definitely turned off the springs. Let's scram out of here. And there's Ollie. And there's Ollie. You guys will never believe what we just came across in Ollie's NFL Blitz Legends arcade top. The guys would love that back home. All right, guys, we just got out of Ollie's. We got a poop shovel for when Olivia gonna poop in the desert. Smell it. It's gonna be clean only for a little bit. 3/4, 3 hours. We wasted a dime. Do not put in dimes or nickels.
Yeah, don't listen to that.
Super relaxing. We've been in there probably like 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and it's like 25 bucks a person to go into the community baths. 27 bucks a person to go into the community baths, and the best part is you can just hang out as long as you want. So definitely got to come down to Hot Springs Town and check it out. We're in the museum now. Oh, look at this shower. You think it looks like a mental hospital? Yeah, you seen that building?
I feel not good.
Look, it's fish people on the top.
I had a bad feeling downstairs when I was in that old bath.
Your body's cold?
My body started feeling cold and something.
Maybe it's because this place is like run by fish people. Olive, want an iPhone 16 for Christmas? Here's the original Planet Fitness. Planet Fitness, you did a good job from 100 years ago. There's a full-on gym in here. Planet Fitness. Why don't you have any of these like hanging rings from your ceiling? Right across the street, you got Hot Springs Strong.
Come, let Zoltar tell you more. Zoltar, the great gypsy, is here to give you ancient wisdom for your happiness.
Oh, how you love to whistle and sing. Oh, how you love to dance and swing. Your future life with joy will ring, with all the happiness it will bring. You will endure some hardship in the near future, but eventually everything will turn out for the best, and unending happiness will be yours. Check this one out. Tobacco and rum soap.
What?
It's an Irish beer bath soap. It like legit smells like beer. That's crazy.
Wow.
Now you can smell like beer without going to the bar all day. Oh my God. There's full-on flowers in there. It looks like flower petals in the soap even. That's dope. That's dope soap. BathhouseSoap.com. You can order all those good soaps online too. Check out their shop. Fresh made daily. That's the way it should be. All right. All right. Appleseed out. Got to get back to the meter. We're trying to race the police.
Run to the meter.
The meters, it only costs us 25 cents for an hour. We don't want to pay $5 for a ticket.
I'm Josh, this is Alicia.
Josh and Alicia. All right, cool.
How are y'all?
What's up, everyone? We're at outside of Arkansas's Hot Springs town by one of these great community fountains.
This is Happy Hollow Springs in Hot Springs, Arkansas. This is a cold water spring. This one has a 300-year recharge cycle, so it takes 300 years for the rain to come down to the place of the spring. Comes up cold. The main spring downtown, right on the main drag, is a 3,000-year recharge cycle. So that one's going to have a much more mineral taste. A lot of people prefer the taste of this cold spring because it doesn't have quite as many minerals in it. This spring right here, of all the water I've ever tasted, this is the best tasting water. Like,
fresh, yeah.
You know, a friend of mine bought us some, what was that? What was that fancy spring water? It was Evian spring water, and my kids drank some of it, and they're like, I don't know. They're spoiled. They love this water.
This is the best part of being on the road, meeting people, learning about the places. Check out Hot Springs and come to the fountains and get yourself some water. Awesome to meet you guys. Josh and Lisa.
You too. We're at 420 East, Hot Spring, Arkansas. Alright, everyone. He's not good at it.
She's saying I'm not good. Olivia's never happier than when eating.
I worked hard. Whoa.
Whoa.
I want to fry. Where's chicken?
It's in there.
Oh.
It's country fried steak. It's not chicken.
You want to grub a little before we hit the road?
I definitely want to grub a little. The fry at Mama V's did not fill me up.
That's my fry.
Holy smokes.
Dudes, that's a giant pizza.
Oh my
Oh my
goodness.
God. I love arugula.
Yeah, dude.
That's my piece. Small
Want some
one.
red pepper flakes?
Yes.
Let me try this, guys. This is vegan pizza. Look at that. You can get anything vegan.
It was $33.
So many toppings. Like, it's super fresh.